Why is my dishwasher clicking?
It disapproves of your laziness, taking your sweet time to empty it and never bothering to clean the dishes before putting them in.
It is a dishwasher. I should not have to pre-rinse them.
It is normal to hear clicking when the dishwasher's soap dispenser opens.
I know what the normal sounds are, and this is not one of them.
It is rare for the control board to malfunction and constant open the dispenser, but it may be jammed or locked and unable to open the dispenser.
That would at least be kind of obvious, if I filled the dispenser but it was still full at the end of the load.
You could hear clicking and banging as dishes hit each other as the water jets hit them.
I put enough space between dishes to avoid that problem.
If the pipes to the dishwasher were stuck to the wall, you'll hear vibration noise and even water hammering when water flows into the dishwasher.
If it was a water hammer, I'd only hear it when the water flows through the inlet valve.
The clicking could be due to a wearing out inlet valve.
If that's the case, I'd hope it sticks closed, because stuck open means the next noise we hear is screams as water floods the kitchen.
If little pieces of uncooked rice or nut pieces fall into the sprayer arms and rattle around while the dishwasher runs, you could hear clicking or banging, depending on the size.
I'd also have dishes that were not really clean and maybe blocked water jets.
You could try to fish around the water sprayer and make sure nothing is stuck in there.
I might as well clean the drain cover while I'm at it.
You could hear clicking if something was rattling against the drain over. Like pieces of plastic that broke off a child's plastic fork and rattle around in the drain cover or rub against a food grinder.
I do not even want to touch the food grinder.
Always turn it off before you even take the cover off. But you could hear clicking of things bouncing around the food grinder or drain if it is trapped there.
You'd think it went down the drain.
So it is stuck between the drain cover and food grinder, where it is designed to prevent something not chopped finely enough from going down the drain.
Only if that was how the unit was designed in the first place. What else could cause clicking in a dishwasher?
A malfunctioning timer that keeps clicking instead of engaging. And you'll normally hear a click when it engages, but then you'll hear something turn on or off.
And if it completely turned off before expected, I'd know to check the fuses.